Series is defined as sum of the sequence. Sum of the sequence. Sum of the sequence, how can we write? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is called a sequence. If we add the terms, it becomes series. It is called a series. Now, geometric series. What is meant by geometric series? We can take A, AR, AR square, AR cube, and so on. This is sequence, you know that, geometric sequence. What is it? It is called a geometric sequence. This R is called a common ratio. If we say this is geometric series, means A plus AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus and so on plus AR power n minus 1. This is called a geometric series. So a series is called a geometric series if the terms forms a geometric sequence. If the terms forms a geometric sequence, then it is called a geometric series. So here sum of the series, it is nothing but Sn. What it refers means sum of n terms of this series. Sn equal to A of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, where r which is not equal to 1. R which is not equal to 1. Sn is equal to A of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Here the common ratio is not equal to 1. It helps us to find sum of the geometric series. When we apply this formula, means it should be a geometric series. So Sn equal to A of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, where r which is not equal to 1. Sum of first n terms of the GP, Sn equal to A of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, where r which is not equal to 1. If r is equal to 1 means Sn is equal to NA. This is the second formula. If r value is 1 means what should we do? Sn equal to n into E. And one more important, sum to infinite terms of GP. Sum to infinite terms. So S infinity is equal to A plus AR plus AR square plus and so on. Infinite terms. So S infinity which is equal to A by 1 minus R. The R value lies between minus 1 and plus 1. The R value lies between minus 1 and plus 1. It is very important. These three are important. Here R which is not equal to 1. Here R which is equal to 1. Here R value is lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Exercise number 2.8, question number 1. The question is, find the sum to n terms of the GP. They said the given progression, the given sequence is geometric progression. Now we are going to find the sum of the GP. It is nothing but sum of a series, actually geometric series. We know that the formula Sn equal to A of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. When if r which is not equal to 1. We have to check whether r is equal to 1 or not 1. So here A is equal to 5. How can we find r value? R is equal to term 2 divided by term 1. T2 divided by T1, which is equal to, what is term 2? Minus 3 by 5. So r value is minus 3 by. Here I find the value of r which is equal to minus 3 by 5. We know that which is not equal to 1. One more important, this r value is less than 1. R value is less than 1. If r value is less than 1 means we can rewrite the formula as A of 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. It is very easy. If R value is less than 1 means the formula can be written as A of 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Okay. So A value is 5 of 1 minus R value is minus 3 by 5 whole power n whole divided by 1 minus R. 1 minus into minus 3 by 5. So 5 of 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 whole power n whole divided by 1 minus into minus plus 3 by 5. If you simplify this, you can get 5 into 1 5, 5 plus 3 8 by 5. Actually this denominator 5 should becomes numerator. So 25 whole divided by 8 of 1 minus minus 3 by 5 whole power n. This is the required answer. Exercise number 2.8, first question, second subdivision, the same question. Find the sum to n terms of the given GP. This is GP. So here the first term A is equal to 256. R is equal to term 2 divided by term 1. What is term 2? 64 divided by term 1 256. So we can simplify it by using 16 table. 16 table means here 4 times. 4 into 16 is equal to 64. Here 16 into 16. Again it can be cancelled. 1 time, 4 times. So 1 by 4. So value of R is equal to 1 by 4. This R value which is not equal to 1, at the same time R which is less than 1. This 1 by 4 is less than 1, you know very well. So R which is less than 1. So we can take the formula Sn equal to A of 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. So Sn is equal to A value is 256 of 1 minus R value is 1 by 4 whole power n whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. So 256 of 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n whole divided by, it can be simplified. How? 4 into 1 4, 4 minus 1 3. So 3 by 4, 3 by 4. So 256 into 4, it becomes numerator. 256 into 4 divided by 3 of 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n. So 256 into 4. 256 into 4 means 4 6 are 24, remaining 2, 4 5 are 20, 22, remaining 2, 4 2s are 8, 10. So 1024. 1024 of 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n. This is the required answer. I'm sorry. Here 256 into 4 1024 divided by 3 is, you know. So Sn equal to 1024 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n. Exercise number 2.8, question number 2. Find the sum of first 6 terms from 1 to 6 terms of the GP is given by 5, 15, 45 and so on. So we are going to find S6, sum of first 6 terms. What is the value of n? 6. N is equal to 6, therefore S6. We know that Sn equal to A of R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Okay, so here S6, before going to find the value of S6, we must know the value of R. So A is equal to 5, R is equal to 15 by 5. What it is? Second term divided by first term. If you cancel, you can get the value R is equal to 3. You know, it is not equal to 1. As well as which is greater than 1. R value is 3. Which is greater than 1, you know. So R which is greater than 1. So we can take the formula as Sn equal to A of R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So S6 is equal to A value is 5 of R power n. R value is 3. 3 power n value 6 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. 5 into 3 power 6 value. 3 power S6 is equal to A of 5 of 3 power 6. 3 power 6 value. 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. 3 square value 9 into 9 into 9. So 729 minus 1 divided by 2. So 5 into 728 divided by 2. It can be cancelled. How many times? 3 times 6. Remaining 1 is 12. 6 times 4 times. So 364 into 5. 364 into 5. 364 into 5. What is the answer? 5 4s are 20, remaining 2. 5 6 are 30, 32, remaining 3. 5 3s are 15, 18. 1820. 1820. What is it? Sum of first 6 terms of the GP. S6 is equal to 1820. Question number 3, exercise number 2.8. Common ratio and sum to first 6 terms of the GP is given, that is 46872. We know that Sn equal to A of R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 and S6. So you replace n by 6. So A value unknown. We have to find the value of A. So you take as it is A of R value is 5. 5 power 6 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. 5 minus 1 equal to 46872. And A of 5 power 6 value, that is 15,625. Okay. Minus 1 divided by 4, which is equal to 46872. 46872. Now it becomes numerator. And 15,625 minus 1. So A of 15,624. 15,625 minus 1 gives 15,624 is equal to 46872 into 4. Okay, better we can find the prime factor of this number. If you find the prime factor of this number, this 5-digit number and this 5-digit number, means we can get like this. Okay, this 217 is prime number, so we cannot simplify it. So we write as it is. Instead of this 15,624, I am going to write this factor, this prime factor. 4 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 217. Okay. A of 4 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 217, which is equal to, instead of this 5-digit number, I am going to write these prime factors. So here 2 cube into 3 cube into 217 into this 4. Now this 4 will be cancelled, and 3 here 3 times, here 2 times, so remaining 1. Here 2 1 time, here remaining 2 times. 217 cancel. So A is equal to, here 2 times, 3 1 time. So A is equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. So A value is 12. Question number 4, second subdivision. The question is, find the sum to infinite terms of the GP is given 21 plus 14 plus 28 by 3 plus and so on. Here A is equal to 21, first term. Or how can we find term 2 divided by term 1? So 14 by 21 means 7 table 2 times 3 times. So R value 2 by 3. We know the formula S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. So A value 21 divided by 1 minus R value 2 by 3. So 21 divided by 1 by 3. How it comes means finding LCM. LCM of this 3 and this 1. So 3 is LCM. 3 into 1, 3 minus 2, 1 by 3. So it becomes numerator. 21 into 3 equal to 63. So S infinity equal to 63. Question number 5. Sum to infinite terms of the GP S infinity equal to 32 by 3 and A is equal to 8 means what is the value of R? Solution. We know that S infinity formula, that is A by 1 minus R. Here A by 1 minus R is given, that is 32 by 3. So A value is 8 divided by 1 minus R is equal to 32 by 3. We can cancel this and this 4 times. 1 time, 4 times. It should becomes numerator. So 3 by 1 minus R is equal to 4. Okay. So if you take this right hand side, it becomes denominator. 3 by 4 is equal to 1 minus R. 3 by 4 equal to 1 minus R. R, you can multiply here. 3 is equal to 4 into 1 4 minus 4R. So minus 4R becomes plus 4R is equal to 4 is plus 3 becomes minus 3. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So R is equal to 1 by 4. R value is 1 by 4.